Hey guys, Hobby Junkie here on my way to Lake Wells right there. As you saw on the sign, that will be my first stop in this last minute decision to take a motorcycle ride to Bushnell, Florida. I had a couple friends that had just bought a house and decided that I was going to take a ride up there and hang out with them for the night and then come back the following day. So I decided to take Highway 60. This is me crossing into Polk County right now on Highway 60, headed to the Lake Wells area as my first stop, so that way I could get some gas and refuel and stretch my bones and all that kind of stuff. So as you can see, that's the orange plant right there. Lake Wells was not that bad as far as traffic went, which really surprised me. It was actually kind of a pleasant ride. There was some kind of heavy traffic. I'm in Lake County here, right around Claremont. I'm actually headed to the Harley-Davidson dealership in that area, which that's when my camera decided to take a poop, and I didn't get anything after that. But it was a decent ride. The weather was perfect. Got a little bit of sunburn on my arms. Definitely will wear a shirt on the way back. So hope you enjoyed a little bit of video, a little bit of scenery, nothing too spectacular, but it was a good ride. It took me about 3.5 hours with a few stops that I made. So I'll be headed back tomorrow. Hopefully some more good weather will come my way. Hopefully.